Hello everybody and welcome to this MindView tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial we're going to take a quick look at the notes function within MindView, which is a fantastic way of adding lots of extra information into your mind map without cluttering up the surface level and making things harder for yourself. So let's go take a look. So the notes feature is really beneficial, as I say, when adding a lot of extra richness of information, but you want to keep the nice surface level of your mind map nice and clean and clear. So to add notes into a topic, we can use either the menu, where we can come up here and say menu to insert, and then just come along here to say text note. And when we add a text note, you'll see this little editor pops open down at the bottom of our screen here, and we can say add more information into our mind map without creating clutter. Now this is a great way of pulling together maybe text that you've copied from an email or from websites or things that you just want to have nice and readily to hand, but you don't necessarily want this information all in your mind map taking up space. So if we close the notes editor, you'll see MindView now just adds this little paperclip icon here which tells us visually that there's something else beneath the surface. So if I click onto that, you'll see it just gives me the first couple of words of the note, and if I click that, it's going to pop it back open and I can just see the full depth that I captured there. So we can use the insert key to add notes to our topics, or if we're working quickly and we don't want to have to keep going up to the menu, we can just use the F8 key on our keyboard to achieve the same thing. So we can speed ourselves up using the keyboard shortcuts and just save that into the topic as it is there. So again, that paperclip appears, we know there's something beneath the surface there, and we can jump into it if we need to. If we want to go back and edit or add more into our mind maps notes, topic notes, as I say, all we need to do is click the icon, the little paperclip, and then click into the text, and it's going to pop open the editor, and I can go back in and edit, update anytime, which is a great way, as I say, of making sure your mind map can remain up to date and dynamic with any new information that you need to keep handy. What about potentially moving the notes? Maybe we realize that some note we've created is actually more appropriate to put onto some other topic. So again, all we can do here, need to do here is click the paperclip icon, and then click it again, hold it and drag it, the text, sorry, I should say, click the icon, hold and drag that text, and then it's just going to pull the notes down from one area to another. So we click the icon and then highlight the text, click that, and then again we can just pull that onto another topic, so we can move the notes around as the information develops. If at all we want to just remove the text notes that we've added entirely, again we can just click that note icon, right click on the text and just say delete, nice and easily. So a really great way of adding a lot of depth and richness of information into your mind maps while still keeping the surface level of your map nice and clean and clear and manageable. So that's it for this tutorial. For more MindView templates, tutorials and training, please visit Biggerplate.com, and if you found this video useful, please check out our channel on YouTube.